Hey guys, this is Unpossible POG. Today I shall show you how to connect Codeigniter with database. As you can see, I created a tutorial database and it has an employee table. I'm gonna fetch data from the database. First you have to open database.php inside config folder and use hostname as localhost, and in my case username and password is root, but you have to type your mysql username and password. And don't forget to give your database name. In my case it's tutorial. Now open default controller, create an index function so that it will run when we run project. You need to call toHelper, that is form and URL. Create a view to display button. So when we click on button, we will display data. Then call same name inside view function. Now button view page has nothing, so we will type something here. Okay, we are good. Now I shall create form just to create button. So we shall create get info function inside controller and call it inside view. First controller name, then function name. So now we are inside the controller. Now we will comment this line and call model. Now create model which will contain database code. Copy paste function name in controller. Now we are inside the model. Now time for main coding. Now let's check if we get output in array format. There is a syntax error. Okay, but now we are inside model, we have to return it to controller. So in controller we make an array and create another view to display data. In view function we give two arguments, one for view file and another file for array. Now in display data file we create for each loop, and inside value array we have to type the column name. As you can see, we call all IDs from the database. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.